What are the most accepted cryptocurrencies? What are cryptocurrencies? Before we take a closer look at some of these alternatives to Bitcoin, let's step back and briefly examine what we mean by terms like cryptocurrency and altcoin. A cryptocurrency, broadly defined, is virtual or digital money which takes the form of tokens or coins. While some cryptocurrencies have ventured into the physical world with credit cards or other projects, the large majority remain entirely intangible. The crypto in cryptocurrencies refers to complicated cryptography which allows for the creation and processing of digital currencies and their transactions across decentralized systems. Alongside this important, crypto, feature of these currencies is a common commitment to decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are typically developed as code by teams who build in mechanisms for issuance often, although not always, through a process called mining, and other controls. Cryptocurrencies are almost always designed to be free from government manipulation and control, although as they have grown more popular this foundational aspect of the industry has come under fire. The currencies modeled after Bitcoin are collectively called altcoins and have often tried to present themselves as modified or improved versions of Bitcoin. While some of these currencies are easier to mine than Bitcoin, there are trade-offs, including greater risk brought on by lower levels of liquidity, acceptance and value retention. Below, we'll examine some of the most important digital currencies other than Bitcoin. First, though, a caveat: it is impossible for a list like this to be entirely comprehensive. One reason for this is the fact that there are more than 2,000 cryptocurrencies in existence as of January 2020, and many of those tokens and coins enjoy immense popularity among a dedicated, if small, in some cases community of backers and investors. Beyond that, the field of cryptocurrencies is always expanding, and the next great digital token may be released tomorrow, for all anyone in the crypto community knows. While Bitcoin is widely seen as a pioneer in the world of cryptocurrencies, analysts adopt many approaches for evaluating tokens other than BTC. It's common, for instance, for analysts to attribute a great deal of importance to the ranking of coins relative to one another in terms of market cap. We've factored this into our consideration, but there are other reasons why a digital token may be included in the list as well. Investing in cryptocurrency in general is a good business if you are on the right path and with the right platform. After so many failed attempts on getting the right platform, I came across Libra Forex cryptocurrency investment platform, Libra Forex.io, where I get different percentages on every investment I made with cryptocurrency every 10 days. It looks too good to be true until I gave it a try, and trust me, it has been a smooth ride all the way. Don't give up on cryptocurrency and join the platform. Trust me, you won't care about the price fluctuation anymore. 1. It will set aside your cash. Throughout the long term, U.S. dealers have paid over $78 billion in expenses identified with credit and check card handling. Digital forms of money are decentralized, so they don't need a bank to confirm each exchange. This implies your business will dispose of those expenses, sparing 2 to 5% on every exchange. This is additionally the situation with organizations like PayPal and Stripe. Not anymore imparting your well-deserved income to financial foundations. One significant thing to note is that numerous vendor wallets charge a level expense of around $30. There are choices everything business people will confront, and normally those spin around whether you're prepared to grasp change and the expectation to absorb information that accompanies it. 2. Exchanges will measure rapidly. It's disappointing to trust that finances will open up in your financial balance. You don't need to stand by with cryptocurrency exchanges. By and large, the exchanges happen continuously or inside a couple of moments. There aren't different banks hindering the installment cycle. High exchange speeds are a reward. In this day and age of moment delight, nobody likes to pause. 3. The money works around the world. There are a lot of advantages to global money, and it's particularly useful if your business sends out administrations and products or buys materials from different nations. Bitcoin and other digital currencies assist you with staying away from the costly unfamiliar exchange charges or trade rates. 4. You will evade extortion and chargebacks. Cryptocurrency is similar to trade out that you either have the assets accessible or you don't. You ought to likewise realize that all exchanges are last when you use cryptographic forms of money, since exchanges are added to the blockchain by means of mining. This framework confirms assets and makes it close to difficult to spend more than you own. While paying with digital currencies, the two players need to affirm every exchange. Accordingly, there are no debates to stress over, and chargebacks will at this point don't occur. 5. You can gain new clients. Digital forms of money have some significant supporters. An ever-increasing number of individuals are finding out about it, grasping it, and in any event, going to organizations like Swissborg to help oversee crypto resources and find out about venture arrangements. As your clients become acquainted with and start to utilize cryptographic forms of money, it will truly support your business on the off chance that you acknowledge computerized monetary standards. While this may in any case be a specialty market, it won't be for any longer. The greater installment alternatives you offer your clients, the better. Not exclusively will you pull in a more extensive client base and more customers, you'll likewise build the odds that they all finish their planned buys. As per a review, by shriveling your shopping cart relinquishment rate so you can expand your income.